Want to know how to make a haunted house with Cricut that also doubles as a luminary?
Yes, completely.
I'll show you the free SVG, plus at the end of the video, I'll share a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need for this project. Your Cricut light grip mat, some weeding tools, a brayer to help keep your cardstock down. I'm using light cardstock in black and gray. Since I have the maker, I'm using the scoring wheel, but you can use your scoring stylus, and some tacky glue. After you downloaded your free SVG, it's time to upload it into Cricut Design Space. In a new project, we're gonna go to Upload, Upload Image, and click Browse. Find your SVG, and it's going to be the file with this symbol here, and click Open. Then title, tag it so it's easily searchable for future projects, and select Upload. Then select your recently uploaded image and click Insert. For this SVG, we're going to click on it to select it and go over to the Ungroup button. In the Layers bar, we're going to need to find this layer right here so we can change the cut lines to score lines. With that layer selected, we're going to go over to the Operations drop-down menu and click on Score. Then highlight the house and the score lines and click Attach. Now that those pieces are one image, it's time to make it. Since we're not making any changes to the mats, we're going to click Continue and select your material. So go over to Browse Materials to search for light cardstock. And you're going to use your light grip mat. Lay your paper down and use your brayer or scraper to make sure it's completely flat. Then load it into your Cricut and hit your Cricut icon. It seems like I need to clean my blade because you can see here it didn't cut all the way through. When that happens, just use a ruler and a blade to finish the cuts. This is super easy to weed, so you're just gonna flip your mat over and curl the mat back and hold your paper down to keep it really flat. With the smaller pieces, you can just use your weeding tools to remove it. Now it's time to assemble your project. First, we're going to bend the paper along all your score lines. I like to use my spatula because it gives me a precise fold along the edge. Then glue the tabs together with tacky glue to form your initial box. Then add some glue to the tabs on your roof line. Then grab your paper for your roof. We're gonna fold it in half to create the pitch for your roof. Then place it on your roof and you're gonna hold it there for like a minute, basically until you can feel that it's no longer sliding off and that it's in place. I used my tweezers to help glue the smaller pieces onto the house. If you get any glue spilled over, you can always use a Q-tip to help wipe it up. Then I decided to use the Q-tip to apply the glue to the smaller pieces. If you guys are getting any value, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now it's time to pop open all the windows. I was initially using my fingers, but using the tweezers actually helped me work faster. Question of the day: what other Halloween crafts do you like to create? Let me know in the comments below. It's super cute just like this, and you can resize it so you can make like a little haunted village, or just pop an LED Tealight in there to make it Haunted House Luminary. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here. Or what YouTube suggests for you would be right here. And reminder to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys next week. I like to use my spatula because it gives me a price